Atur nuhun, terima kasih yang jawab salam saya, mudah-mudahan masuk surga. Yang nggak jawab masuk apa katanya? Masuk angin yang belum sarapan. Ada request lagu apa katanya? Karena tadi sudah dangdutan, penyanyi dari radio. Jadi kali ini kita beralih dulu ke irama Parahyangan atau Pasundan.
Ditunggu sawerananya Bapak Jaro Maman yang punya Pasir Gintung ya.
Oh.
Ditunggu sawerannya Pak Jaro.
Di atas Pak Jaro yang punya kawasan apa? Pasir Gintungnya. Di Panglarisan atau iya, dipikir buat semuanya fans radio Erbamba FM. Ya, slow dulu ya. Boleh ikutan gabung bareng yang mau joget. Kahala sagara moal beda keanginan.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul
maman anu bager. Asih kahatur anu gaduh Jayanti Candelekan. Jaro maman saepkeun cinta kuring ka manehna anggang kahap sagara moal beda kaanginan moal luntur ka ibunan cintaan ukur salira cinta kuring ku ayana masih kawas anu baheula kasalina kuring cinta moal rek aya gentosna asih urang salamina. Hatur nuhun Pajaro Mama gaduh Jayanti Candelekan tos dipanglarisan.